Students, you open your book, page number 5, the first lesson, first chapter, Thank You God. This is a poem and starts with a good quotation. If the only prayer you said in your whole life was thank you, it would be enough. So, for you, I'm telling thank you. There are 3 words, 3 keys we are saying, which can open a mind. That is thank you, please, and I am sorry. So from here, thank you, this is a simple word which you can make it as a prayer, and it's enough. You are not supposed to go in church, in temple or in mosque for chanting or something. Only the simple thank you God. At the end of the day, if you say only thank you God, it is enough. So let's begin the poem. There are 3 stanza. So first stanza, look at the book please. Sometimes their mobile is not, technical problem is there, you are not clearly is visible. I'm trying my level best, but you have to open your own book so that you can get the words properly. Thank you God for giving us life, for sending us on earth, and for giving us the background of India. Thank you God for giving us open hearts, for making us able to enjoy innocence, and for blessing us with love. We are really thankful to God. We are born in India. We are Indian. India is our motherland. We are proud of India. And above all, thank you for what has given us such an innocence mind. We are living in this earth. We are enjoying the beauty of the world. So here poet describes her, and she shows her gratitude to God. Now, next stanza. Thank you God for sending a smile of comfort when sorrowful, for making us live in the eternal present, and for getting us firm determination. Determination means, underline this word, determination. Determination means what you are determined. That means you are keeping in your mind. That is called determination. You underline this word. Determination means you are keeping in your mind. So underline that word. Now, thank you God for blessing us with pure hearts. This is also underlined, pure hearts. For giving us open independence. For giving us open-mindedness. Open-mindedness means wide mind. We are not narrow-minded. We will think it rationally. That is called open-minded. Sorry. Through storms, this is an inner meaning. Storms means any storm in your life. That is not the natural storm. Any type of tough situation, any type of bad fates, you can tackle it with this open-mindedness. Now, in pandemic time, we are also suffering, but we will take it rationally. Those who all are getting COVID positive, so we will not avoid them. We try to make a safe distance from them, but we should not avoid them. This is called wideness. And for radiant peace and well-being. Radiant means this is a peace. That which peace is you are feeling joy. You are feeling a nice thing. That is called radiantness. Now the last part. Thank you, God, for giving us vivid. Vivid means the positive and the transparent imagination. What transparent imagination? Black is black, means bad is bad, good is good. We are not, sometimes we are confused to take the decision, but here poet said that the firm decision. Vivid means firm decision. For decorating us with curiosity and intellect. So vivid imagination with curiosity and intellect. We are using our intellect part. For intellect word it is suitable for human being. See, the animals are also living in this world, and human being also living in this world, but we are separate from other animals. Why? We have this part, intellect. Okay. And for making us capable of appreciating art. This is very important. We are intellectual, we are intellect people, that's why we are capable to appreciate art, the creativity. That's why we are different from other animals. Thank you, God, for making our work joyful, happy, for giving us high ambition, that you are always thinking, no, I will be a doctor, I will be a teacher, I will be a professor. This is called high thinking, broad-minded. Not only this field, your aim in life, not for the aim in life you are thinking wide way. We will do something for the people, for the children, for the world. Service to man is service to God. This is called high part of thinking. So God is encouraging us, so we are thankful to God for our high ambition and for sending worthy. Worthy means leaves that encourage. Worthy means meaningful. Encourage us to uphold morality. Morality means moral values. So this is the poem written by Kritika Pariwal, and the moral of this poem is be thankful for everything you have. So this is the poem. Today I am giving you this part for reading. This is a poem. You will cherish it, you will recite it. Some other parts apart from these, I will give you some other word meanings, but first you have to learn the poem very carefully with the spelling. Now this word meaning part. These are the words and meaning of the word meaning. You learn it. Write it HW. Give the date. Read, learn, then write in the interleaf copy. Read, learn, and then write in the interleaf copy. These are the word meanings. After that, true and false. After that, true and false. I am showing you true and false. Already I have done. True and false. True and false. Now there is another part which I will show you. This is also class work for today. You can write in your book. I am just showing you. I am prompting also. Please be careful. Write in your interleaf copy, or you can write it in the book also, but I will encourage you to write in the copy. If you are writing in the book, it's okay, but I am going to After writing, please correct it. Here, India is our motherland, the country we are proud of. Write down any 5 reasons that make you proud of being an Indian. This is the question, and I have written 5 points. You can copy these points or you can write on your own. First line is India is my motherland. Second line, I am proud to be an Indian. Third is our freedom fighters. Here you write fighters, S. Our freedom fighters fought for our motherland. We became independent on 15th August in 1947. In 1947. Here you write in 19. In is missing. Here write in. I have written already. In. The last line. India is a secular. Secular means all religions are living here. There is no birth and bar. Hindu will only live here. Muslims are not getting. No. Everybody is living, and there is a brotherhood country, we can say. Secular country. I am proud of my motherland. So this is your task. You can do it in your book or interleaf copy, but if you do in the book, write nicely and don't make any mess. Next day, and you can correct from here. You see it, I am holding this. I feel sometimes our mobile is not supporting. Some writings are not properly written. I am trying my level best. I have already prompted you. Listen and then write. It is better to listen and write, and any mistakes you will. Okay, so enough for today. After that, you come to this point. This is homework. This is homework. You will do it in the book. What moral values, according to you, are important for leading a healthy life? Page number 7. This part. 2. Think and ponder means think and write. There are few lines you can write here. Okay, so I have read out the poem. I have given some word meaning for you to learn, and some portions also. These are the word meanings you have to learn, write, then write in the interleaf copy. Then the true and false, here also I have written. After that, this part you can write in the book or in the copy, no problem. But the second part, number 2, you should write in the book. I hope you all can understand. Next day I will give some other word meanings. Thank you, children. God bless you.